Hey folks, Dan Frio here, the Mortgage Update. Today is April 14th, 2020. So what happened today in the markets? Well, flat. Love it. I love it. The reason being is I love stability. I just want to start out the day by, look at this line here, kind of where we've flattened out. And this is kind of odd. I won't say odd, this is actually great news. Look how, since the Fed stepped in, there's been up and down days, but it's been flat. And that's what us as a mortgage business needs. We need stability in the markets right now because there's so much other turmoil that most consumers don't even realize. The forbearance is going to play a huge hiccup on everything in the economy. So that's yet to be seen. But we love stability. So what happened today? Well, the Fed came in and they stepped in about $15 billion worth of mortgage-backed securities. That's down from where they've been at about $20 billion a day. And they're starting to wean out right now. Some good news is from the Cass Freight Index is the index was down horrendously. But they came out, part of their report was saying there's some optimism now in their numbers or from their businesses saying that they think the curve or the coronavirus curve is finally starting to flatten out and starting to go the other way. That's great news for businesses to restart and get opening and start everything kind of back to normal. So we won't see that for another week or two or three, but I think you're going to start hearing some good news in the markets right now. And from the president and the government saying, they think that we've kind of hit the tip of the iceberg on this part of things. So that being said, let's go over and see what happened today. So it was a volatile day. This is the charts that I follow because it gives me a lot of data and what my competition is doing down here and so forth. But I usually go back to this. I revert back to this and just to show you what's going on. And again, right now, the rates have been pretty flat. And look back to here. This was kind of we're not far off that line. So we're back down to basically the lowest rates, even getting back to here. On the good news of things is even as lenders, we're back to, remember I was saying, even when the MBSs were here and here, these rates were higher than here. Now, a lot of you are probably like deer in the headlights. You're basically confused on what I'm talking about. So let me explain to you what I do and what I talk about. My name is Dan Frio. I do the Mortgage Update every day on YouTube and also on radio in Chicago. You can hear me every night, Monday through Friday on WYLL radio from 7:30 to 8 p.m. And you can also hear me on WIND radio. It's one of the Chicago's biggest talk radio stations in the city. WIND radio on Saturdays from 7 to 8. And this weekend I have a CPA and we're talking about, ironically, some tax changes, but he called his lender and has some really interesting news on the forbearance front. So stay tuned to that and also check out my podcast, The Mortgage Update with Dan Frio. All my radio shows are there as well. So that's what basically the market is stabilizing. The Fed is stepping in and they're helping stabilize things. Okay. That being said, the stock market is, had a good day today, but who knows what tomorrow is going to bring. But on the mortgage side of things, stability is good right now because we're as low as I think rates are ever going to get. I don't really think they're going to ease anymore. That being said, we talked about in the past 2 weeks where my rates fit with conventional financing. And I had the me versus bank rate, which is one of the biggest websites out there that compare mortgage rates. I had the lowest rates compared to everybody on there, and that opened the floodgates. So thank you guys watching. And please make sure you share and click thumbs up and everything else to help get the word out to other people that you know, friends, family, relatives, everybody else that we can help. Today, I want to talk to those veterans out there. So thank you, veterans. I did a post on Friday thanking our heroes. Veterans are a big part of that. And part of what we're giving into to help you guys is we're giving you a lender credit up to $500 to pay for your appraisal. So what I want to go over today is if you're looking for a VA loan, we're going to look right now, a lot of people are struggling. So they're looking to refinance that VA loan. It's really simple to do. It's called an IRRRL. I don't know the acronym for it, but it's a VA refinance. They're really simple to do. So I just plugged in. I went to bankrate.com. I already prepped. And nothing against bankrate.com. This is live. I'm doing it on, like I said, the 14th, and it is 4:30 p.m. my time. And it's a refinance of a VA loan. I clicked it right here. Okay. 60402 is the zip code it pops up with. That's pre-built in the system. 300,000 value, 240 loan amount, 740 score. We're going to open the back end door to my website. This is how I quote you rates when you call me. So we're going to go 240, 1, 2, 3. The loan, the value of the home, I forget what it was. My apologies. 300,000. So it's 300,000. 300,000. It is a rate and term. What this program is called an ERL, or VA rate reduction. I hope you can see this. I'm trying to get software that I can blow this up. I've tried several different ones. They're a little complicated. And I just don't want to, I won't want to lose days. So this weekend, I'm going to try to get, upgrade my software to give you guys some zoomed in shots to some of this stuff. Credit score that we spoke about was 740 on the other page. Debt ratio, DTI, we're going to put in 10%. That's doesn't really come into factor on the ERLs. We're going to put this person lives on Main Street, and the city is Main Street in Illinois. And county doesn't matter, and I'll put in, we'll match, just so somebody says, oh, you know what, you had a different zip code, that could have given you different rates. Well, let's put in the same zip code, 60402, so we got 60402, and we're going to go down and click the VA loan, right here, VA. I'm going to get rid of conventional, and it'll be a 30-year term. Let's go down and see what the rates are. It is thinking, and it should pop up in a second. So here's my rates. So on a VA loan, we have my rate right now is 2.75 is the rate. Right now, again, for those that watch my channel, a negative, this is actually a rebate check or a credit back to you at that rate. So for this loan amount, $240,000, you would get 0.268, or what equates out to $643 as a rebate check to cover any cost you have. Okay, so let's go back and compare it to what's out there. Scroll down, and the lowest rate out there right now is 3.125, right here, with you're paying points of $907. So 3.125 with a $900 in fees. So my 3.125 would actually give you a lender credit of $1,363. So I'm giving you $1,300. They're charging you $900 for a difference of $2,400, $2,200. Sorry, bad math. $2,200 difference between the two. Okay, now that's compared to the best scenario on bankrate.com. So let's go middle of the road, just for argument's sake. So let's see what all this is. 3.5, 3.375. So the norm looks like we'll just go 3.375. And the lowest rate at lowest cost at 3.375 is $900. So at 3.375, you're getting $2,700 from me. They're charging you $900. Which is a difference of $3,600. $3,600 in closing cost differential between me and basically one of the best lenders out there, or the biggest lenders out there, or somebody who advertises on bankrate.com. I'll put it that way. So that's where I just wanted to show you guys where we are with rates today in comparisons. So if you're shopping around, please give me a call. Again, my name is Dan Frio. I do the mortgage update every day on YouTube as well as radio. I'd love to help you. So, and to you veterans out there that we're doing the special on today, or at least, putting this out there for you, give us a call. The best way to reach me is call 844-775-5626. You can find us on the web at thefrioteam.com. Frio is spelled F-R-I-O, or you can shoot me an email at dfrio@preferredrate.com. So that's the best way to get a hold of me. And if you're looking for a VA loan and any kind of loan, be it conventional financing, FHA, whatever, go back to last week's videos. I'm showing you. I got the best rates in the market, and these are you can go to bankrate.com and compare. Love for you to do so, and then reach out to us. I'd love to help. So God bless. Thank you so much. Thank you, veterans out there, for what you did, what you're doing, and we'd love to help you. So for those watching, please give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe down below. Leave comments. I reply to every comment that's made. I usually get it. I might not get to it that day, but it will be within 2-3 days. I promise you I'll reach out to you. And but hopefully you like the video and you share it. So God bless. I'll see you tomorrow, same time, same place. See you then. Bye-bye.